Hey guys, I want to show you something really awesome and really new for zombies that was added to Black Ops 4, I believe today, with an update. Now Jason, during the reveal in May, said that there was going to be these things called callings, and these were going to be possibly like daily challenges or events that we're going to get to do in zombies. I guess kind of like zombie orders in World War II. Well, they added one called Halloween Calling. It says it's a special event and it's got about 12 days left, and with this event you have 4 tiers. The first tier wants you to get 1,500 kills, and the reward is something called a Cthulhu Warpaint, and also 1,000 XP. When you first look at this reward, you don't really know what they're talking about. Like, what is this Cthulhu Warpaint? They didn't mention anything about this in any of the updates, so we're just kind of clueless. But they've added something new to the top. If you go over to personalization, you can see where these rewards end up and where they're accessible. So click on one of the characters and you can see it says Warpaint. So that's what they're talking about there. And then you can see these icons right here, and you can see that there's different character face skins. There are 4 that are locked, and there's 2 legendary and 2 rare, and it looks like these might be coming from the supply drops, possibly. There's only 8 characters in zombies, but they have 12 options here because they've got the Chaos Crew twice. They've got the Voyage of Despair outfits and then also 9 outfits. You can click on any of them and see the same set of 4 skins and what they look like on the characters. All 4 of these skins are locked for all the characters, but you can earn some brand new ones if you do the challenges for the special Halloween event. And when you do, you can unlock them and put them on your characters right now and use them in game. They are so cool looking. I'll show you guys what they look like in just a moment. So I showed you guys the first tier, and what that required is 1,500 kills, and you got the Cthulhu Warpaint skin. The second tier wants you to play 100 rounds. You don't have to do this in one game. You can do it over several games. And when you do complete that, you're going to leave the game where you've done 100 rounds, and it's going to tell you that you've got the Halloween Calling Gargoyle Warpaint skin earned. Tier 3 wants you to get 1,500 headshots, and for that, you're going to get the Demon Warpaint skin. This special event just went live, so we're working on tier 3. Don't know what is required for tier 4 yet and the final reward, but I'll post it on my Twitter if you guys want to find out. We should have it completed within an hour, and my Twitter is @girlglitcher. Once you start to earn these, they will go into your Warpaint section and they will be accessible from there. You can see that 2 more have been added in addition to those 4 that are locked. So completing tier 1 and 2 is going to give you the Cthulhu skin and also the Gargoyle like you see here. And when you unlock these skins, they will be available for all of the characters. I'll show you guys what these look like in game. They're really cool. This is really different for us to have something like this, but this is Scarlet with the Cthulhu skin. It looks really nice. This is such a brand new thing that if you do acquire one of these and go in a public match, it's probably gonna surprise a lot of people because we're not used to this. Of course, I'm gonna have to show you what RICHTOFEN looks like in the Cthulhu skin. He looks incredible. When you get really close to it, you can see it's really high detail, and yeah, he looks pretty wicked. This definitely makes those challenges a little bit more enticing to do. A lot of the challenges just gives you calling cards or emblems, but in-game skins is something that I think will be really motivating for people to keep playing and keep trying to earn these things. Again, this special event just went live, so we've only been able to earn 2 of them. So Cthulhu's right there. The next one is Gargoyle. It looks really different in game than it does in the menus. We're very, very close to having the 3rd one, and that's the Demon skin, so I'm sure that's just going to be a very red, freaky looking face. I'll certainly make a video about what that looks like, and also the tier 4 reward and what that is going to look like if it is a Warpaint skin. When you put one of these skins on your character, it shows up for you in the menus and when you're in the main lobby, but other players can't see it, which is unfortunate. They don't see it until you actually get into the game. Big shout out to Slick for him hustling and trying to get these unlocked as fast as possible so we can see what they are. Hopefully this is just a start and a glimpse into things to come in the future. Like, hopefully they can do things to change the characters' outfits, maybe give us some backpacks with dogs in them or something. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!